Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Chairman jangka Coordination Committee jangka Indian Olympic Association yakabala tipru kum ka GTCC RK Sacheti hagalai pau tarik ukalalangkot arjar arpo rengkat bat kinong yalam jangka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kentupru yaki officer jangka tanat dialakai sports kila hiar jurip yaka jaka balatmu bantai yaka Games Village hagashnong Sauli Maudiang New Shillong Township kum ka jingpen kre yaka National Games kaban Salong House nem arjar arpu ar hapo jela Meghalaya. Usai ceti balawan kenang syakani ganong ba Shillong ulale jengok ru ya kamadan yelaka Jawaharlal Nehru Complex kabadon hapolo Shillong bat hakapor jan miet pat ulale pania kendu yo menteri jong katanat yelaka sports ka Sarkar jela ha office trekam jong u kabadon ha main secretariat Shillong ban yathir yatai halor ka jingpen kre yakani ka lumpung yelaka.
The purpose is that we find the status update on the national games which the IOA has allotted to the government of Meghalaya. The initial discussions which we had yesterday, and we saw the sites, and today again after we had a meeting with the sports minister, we are confident that Meghalaya can host the games in October-November 2022. In terms of the sidelines, the sites, sports village and the other, the stadium which they have proposed are feasible. They have the consultant, they have two consultants. One is Collage, who are doing the venue designs, they have done earlier. They have the consultant ENY, who is also preparing the reports and other things. So with these parameters, we are confident that yes, things can happen. They can they are fully prepared, and then games can happen in October, November 2022. Number one, what is the word magic?
Miracle to happen.
But why you need miracle? What is the time? Suppose if you want to decide something, how much time it take? See, miracle you need when you are going beyond timelines. What is the timeline you look for? If you have the willpower, if you decide you want to do it, how much time it take? See, we have 2.5 years. Like now it is in 3 years, but 2.5 years. Why I am saying 2.5 years? So that we have the final 3-4 months period in terms of the final the fit outs and other things, and then the overlays and other things which are there on those things. So with these timelines, and they have prepared all the tender documents, bidding documents and everything. If the bidding documents and everything is out, and then the major construction work starts in June, yes, we can achieve the target. The lands have been handed over. They got the land in their position. They are now awaiting the from Ministry of Social Justice that line which is there, which they will be preparing the cabinet approval. So they have prepared their bidding document. As soon as they get the approval, they will go for bid. IOA has allotted the games to Meghalaya. They wanted the games to be held in 2022, coincident with their 50 years of celebration. So, and that's reason, like we had a firm decision with the government, and government is keen to host in 2022. So we will submit the report in IOA, and we will, I'm 100% sure that we will have the slot of 2022. Good time to construct the venue. 2.5 years is good time to construct the venue. If they delayed this timeline, June timeline, like when construction will start in June, if they delay that timeline, then it is the way. Committed to deliver it. They have shown all these their paperwork. What is the tender which is going out? It is ready. See, so we have to trust what is there as on paper, as on table. As on table is your tender document is ready. IOA has allotted the games for 2022, and we can still go for 2022. IOA has given a clear mandate to the government, so that's the reason we wanted a confirmation from the government that yes, you want to hold it 2022, which they are keen that yes, we want to hold it 2022, we can go for 2022.
Ila yok bani keren bani keren sibuk ki gede bagi cepat keren sibuk. Di Sultanat kalau nak kalian jauh, architect kalau nak direct rumah, udah sokomen pada Sultanat ya ka cepat keren mesti. Bobol ki bentang, anak kalian ke government, anak kalian ke association, berundan ni ban orang dah baik, mereka berkonsen kalau nak ni banyak cakap, nak bentang mereka national game bangsa ni pun nak ada cara apa. Isi bol ki nilai keren beda mereka tak bentang ro, nilai bu di option ke A ke B ke C, ada kalau bentang nilai kemudian kalau kita nilai keren ro. Nomor ni anak kalian ke state government lalu clear bagi pulau bagi national game cara kuat. But ki project ki bagi orang bagi sedang hamtam ki existing venue kelada lupa. But kunjuk berat mai. Dia lada long kumu ni orang bagi apa sedang mar. Mud lalu kumu lah bandai bunai March lah ni bunai April. Mud kecil dah sedang. Kita katukan ni nilai Asian bagi putera kita cerita. Kita nilai ada biar keren syah. Bala dan kumbu orang yang pilih syabab bala keren yang syafiru kalau bala dah imlak bersedang au adu bunai Jun dengan long sisya kecil kata gila dia diskus lah ni dia don sibon je keren lah nak benda kumbu punya syakmat benda macam ni dengan national ni darjah kuat tendering proses kelayat sisya buat lasaran yang pilih dalam kumbu bunai Februari terai dalam tendar Wedai pada financial ni jumlah dalam national ni. Asal cuma setahun ada brief martus ni, ring mengidap itu ke NGOC ke meeting, buat pula kerja, buat batai yang wedai financial ni tu, kumno ni yok besar, kumno ni perlu antara batai bah. Henry ni suka kumno ni, bahkan yang kalian ke state government, kalau ada book kepada nak bentak kumno berinang. Initially when I start ini jadi orang. Mereka tu kan ni pak, kibungi yok lingba ke Ministry of Tribal Affairs bisa kibang iyo lingba ka Minority Affairs Ministry kita kini bisa kibang ila nahaban sedang no ya kini kecil to train kita kini project tu itu na international hang ni na maklar kumno kan poi be afsa arsan teli discipline bar kumbakan ar la ni khatway teli gila poi sibo garwels namaga ka subsidy ka deka turah but ka host city ka main city ka dika Shillong diki khambon chini ki dispen ni la dalang kumno ru ha arajar arfuar ubnai mel adu ubnai jun ade ben complete ubro kata ka dika target ka jun nomor ka national game kan long ubnai Oktober ban November kan kum ka jini keren ji kum bet lang ka po ka don ba mundai ban kuslai la dan ye trei ba ngi dan ye trei shitom lang ringkat bat kaju kerku kerdo jom kita bak jom state tu kan urlong baik ni bagi dah terang ni pelong baik baca apa maka dia senam state tu kan jom sekejap dah pesan usul jom state tu ni ndrunai ke slap ndrunai ke dalam isi keren ni tandai tambah orang ini bayar kini ke projek ke jom kini projek ke bahaya baru kebangi kita kalian ke state ni compromise bangin ai yakini jintrai ki company labiang nanong sinam iban pentrai ada di maslap na di berkiam ni takam dari dunia kita kali ke jiku aga jumi ban rei ngong ipi kini ke challenge ban ingin scam ba ki bayo ya ka kam kat kum ka norms ka revolution ka ban bu ki justification ki ban bu na ban da kita di jintrai ka ban pendap ka ko ni abu kita ada bukan banyak kerana dia jeng doa besar, nampai sumsum. Andai kau kongsan kau dia jeng terang. Balai ngong kau tak jeng terang kalau dia pun khe nak mentah. Andai kamu yang host, mungkin yang medal, mungkin point finals. Kita kilong kiki ibaro. Tinggi dalai kini hable biang ringkat berki ini terang orang itu. Bakum no bagi nang penklan bagi yang penselek kena syak ibadai bermikmat nam tak setiap. But kini kena mengena dep and select nidon kam ko proper coaching ke bobian apa nora ki coach ke bala lo qualify ya penetre lang kum no banda pelut dia target ilu ke syai sin kan dan dulu ke jing syakran lene kan dan dulu ke jing long leno e bungi pelut bisa kita di bodan kam ke por kadang don mentang ipi mentang ke coordination ke jing tre lang apa deng ke MSOE but ke state government ke directorate ke ya chikma but kini ke jipun kre apa ro ngi lagi pun kre but the next come bana bentang tim production ni kan saya chikma nang ni chikma nama ni sepelong yang nak yang make game mentang production tingin yo pengin pait iki kena ini yo pengin ngam bro ke state nang pengin yo syai kena ke bani syai mentang hak ada ke cina ni tang kamu kapung ke bomdai ka 250 meters kadetang 25 meters di bandar 50 meters the day na tak daw ko apa ni ba dalam kumno beda ni pakai ni bentang ni pi apa ni train ni bewat kelanti mentah apa ni pa kadon ka pool ke belabiang ba ketika 50 meter pool na try po ni pa dam kala tingila pagin ya keren bat kiru di kena jungi kin yo training bala don kam di kena jungi beli training syabar pa cakai ba kambiang ni apa le kita don kam imla ban shu ong ban shu ab bitang kai ga badan po state amarang ning na pun kret ni pun sna tidak kata dah kita hab le cabar mile kam tan jungi kita tamalong kan mile ya ban pun baik dah lenti kata ngi kwa khanang ba ni gi pun kret jungi gi pelut kan mlong le kata ga dei bu sa Nagalian mesti paham masa. Norms, kita regulation, kita justification, ya apa ni ya kan kelentingan. Mula pun syuang yang masih mula wadah di trainer. Menteri kamu nom dek. Kamu lihat biang-biang. Kita testing kita biang. Kita don kamu do steel bukum no. Kita don kamu ke cement bukum no. Ke design structure kalau kamu structural drawing kalau. Apa pun kita gigi bro. Jadi nak terkadang minum lah ban compromise kita ki bro nanti ada mau pergi construction day ban yo dari company kepala biang lapit ke company bala bagi syania banandang banumi ke kita bagi state